How I love these locks so much. They're so curly. If only I can make them last. Do you ever wonder of ways on how to preserve your locks? Well, stay tuned and I will go over some tips on how to keep these curls popping for a long time. Stay tuned and continue watching on Locs for you to love. So this by far is my favorite lock style. Using pipe cleaners to maintain curls, and not even maintain curls, but have a certain length is what I like. I don't ever want to cut off my locks, but I want to play around with the size, the length, the style. So what better way to achieve that style of shortness by using pipe cleaners? So if you're into that and you have not seen my pipe cleaner lock tutorial, check it out. I'm gonna go over some tips to help you maintain your locks. I section my hair into 4 sections. I use my scrunchies here. And what I do is, since my hair is not long, I don't want to disturb the curl too much. So what I'm gonna do is I kind of just bunch it up and I tie it into sections. The goal is not to really disturb the curl, so that's why I put it into 4 sections. Oh, I forgot to bunch it. Ay, look at me already. The back, I don't really wrap it twice, only wrap it once. But as I'm wrapping it, I kind of fold it into a little ball to maintain it. What I do is I take my satin scarf. Purple is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. And pink is my favorite color. So if you haven't noticed, I hope you're taking a look at my channel, because those are all the colors that I like. Put this on. I can put it over my head. Oh my goodness. And I feel like my curls are secure. I get a silk scarf that has like a, what do you want to call this? Extra material to tie around your head. Because what I noticed with other material, especially silk scarves that are made for your hair, they fall off at night, and this stays, so I'm keeping this. And I got this thing at Walmart, so you know I'm all about that budget. This is how I sleep at night, and when I wake up during the day, if I'm not going nowhere, I just keep this on, and until I'm ready to go, then I will remove the scarf and remove the ponytail holders. Another thing too is I live in a very humid state. So my hair loves it, but that is the biggest issue of all, is once our hair, especially in locks, and we have curls, get a hold of the humidity, our curls start to If you enjoyed what you watched so far, go over here, beep, 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 and check out some essential tips and advice about taking care of your locks. Also, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back. come back.